Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make aesthetic mind maps and study notes with Pippit AI. Pippit AI is an AI creative tool that will help you generate videos or maybe visuals, designs, and content faster without needing advanced editing skills. And if you want to try it, just click the link in the descriptions and pin comment to enter the website. And then next, just open your Pippit AI and then you will taken to the home page like this, and then just go to image generator, this one, just click on it, and then next just upload your study material, like maybe textbook page, notes, or any lesson image that you want to turn into a more organized and aesthetic visual summary. And then just upload from here. You can upload from your computer or a set, and then next just write prompt that explain the mind map concept on here. Just explain about the concept, the illustrations, and then fonts, look, and overall layout that you want. Just write your prompt over here, and then next just use your AI model in here, and then next just use your real solutions and then ratio of your image. And after that, just click on submit over here, and you will get the four results. Before like before, I also tried generating it with a prompt similar to this one. I already trying to generate the mind maps, and with the prompt like this, you can just copy my prompt to make your own mind map. And then I got the four results like this. Let's take a look. Like this, you will see the results. I think looks so good with the clear illustrations like this, and then perfect layout like this. And even it still has typos, but I think the overall results still good. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.